All right, welcome back to my channel. Hi guys. So let us quickly solve this Math Olympiad problem. Okay, like I told you before that math is the easiest course. So this question is the easiest question in solve. If you have this mindset, to solve math will not be that difficult for you. Okay, so always have in mind that what math is the easiest subject. Now solving this child of God, the first thing we do is to let x be equal to this 6 over root 13 plus 1. Now, don't forget that it is an abomination to leave sword at the denominator. So what do, child of God? We rationalize. So to rationalize, we say multiply by the conjugate. So we're multiplying by the square root of 13 minus 1 all over what? The square root of 13 plus 1. Okay? So this is now equal to 6 into the square root of 13 minus 1 all over the square root of 13 plus 1 into the square root of 13 minus 1. Okay, so this is now 6 into the square root of 13 minus 1 all over. This time this will give me 13. This time this, in fact, this is difference of two squares. Okay, this could be written as root 13 all squared minus 1 squared. Okay, this is difference of two squares. So I'm having that this is equal to 6 into the x is equal to, so x is equal to 6 into the square root of 13 minus 1, okay, all over what I'm having here is 13 minus 1. So this is what? 6 into the square root of 13 minus 1 all over what? 12. So I'm left with what? The square root of 13 minus 1 all over okay, I'm having 6 here. So, and this could be written as 2 times 6. So if 6 take care of 6, I'm having what? The square root of 13 minus 1 all over 2. So this is my x. So I'm now looking for x raised to power 8. Since I say that everything here is x. So for us to find raised to power 8, let's start from squaring both sides. If I square both sides, I'm going to have square both sides. Square both sides. Okay, so if I square both sides, I'm going to have x squared is equal to the square root of 13 minus 1 over 2 all squared. Okay, so this is the same thing as saying the square root of 13 minus 1 over 2 multiplied by the square root of 13 minus 1 over 2. Okay, so you can say this multiplying everything and this one multiplying everything, but instead of that, you can go straight to say square the first one, you have 13. Multiply the first one and the second one, double it to give you minus 2 the square root of 13. So square the last one, I have plus 1. Then all over, this one square will give you 4. If you do the same thing here, you will still get this thing as your answer. Okay, so this and this is giving me 14. So I'm having 14 minus 2 root 13 divided by 4. So 2 can divide everywhere. So I'm left with 7 minus root 13 over 2. Okay, so because 2 divide this is 7, 2 divide this is gone, 2 divide this is 2. So 2 can go. So that thing is my x squared. So we keep moving. So I have gotten that. I've gotten that x squared is equal to 7 minus root 13 over 2. Let me square this again and see what happens. Square both sides. Square both sides. Okay, to have that x squared all squared will give me 7 minus root 13 over 2 all squared. Okay, so we are going to do the same thing again. Square the first one, 49. Multiply the first one and the second one, 7 root this. Double it, I'm going to have 14 root 13. Then square the last one, I'm going to have plus 13. Then all over square this one, I have 4. So this is going to be 49 plus d, that is 59, 62. Okay, 62 minus 14 root 13 all over 4. You look at this, you see that 2 can divide everywhere. 2 divide this, I'm going to have 31 minus 2 divided this, I have 7 with 13 all over 2. Okay, so and this time this is giving me x raised power 4. So this is x raised to the power 4. This is x raised to the power 4. Okay. So now let us square both sides again and see what is going to happen. If I square both sides, square both sides, I'm going to have x raised to the power 4 all squared is equal to 31 minus 7 root 13 divided by 2 all squared. Okay, so the same thing again. We're going to do square the first one, multiply the first one and the second one, double it, square the last one. Okay, so what do we have now? We're going to have x raised to power, this time this will give you 8, is equal to square this first one. 31 squared will give you 961. Multiply this and this, double it. So I have 31 times 7, which will give you 217. If I double it, that is times 2, which will give you minus 434. Okay, the root of 13. Then square the last one will give you plus square of this is 49. Y square of root 13 is just 13 like this. Okay, all over what? 4. Okay, square of this is 4. So x raised to power 8, okay, is now 961 minus 434 root 13. Then 13 times 49 to give you plus 637. Now divided by 4. Okay, so if you add it to the other one, if you add it to plus 961, so I'm going to have this is 1598 minus 343, sorry, 434. 434 root 13 all over 4. So if 2 divide this, I'm going to have 2 can divide everywhere. So have 799. 2 divide this one minus 2 divide this is 2. 2 divide this is 17. Okay, then root 13 divided by 2. So that is the answer to that. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please always like our video, comment. If you are a new subscriber, subscribe. If you are a returning subscriber, we love you. May the peace of the Lord be with you.